Hardware.
Boston Lock and Safe Answering Service. Can I help you?
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. Is this somebody who needs to contact an on-call person? Are you having a problem?
Yes.
What is the problem?
I'm heading out the door.
You can't get in your door?
Yes.
Hold on 1 second. What is your name?
Chris.
Chris?
Yes.
What is your last name?
Paran.
What is that?
Paran.
Can you spell that? I'm having a hard time hearing you, sir. There's a big echo.
Kugler.
Kugler. Can you spell that one more time, please?
Kugler.
And your phone number?
617 484
484 617 484
8400.
And what is the address?
170 Belmont Street.
170
Belmont Street.
170 Belmont Street.
No. 170 Belmont Street.
Okay, sir, I'm having a hard time hearing what you're saying. What is the number? The number of the house?
170 Belmont Street.
1730?
Yes. 170
1730. 1730.
No. 170
17030?
No.
Okay, what's the street name, sir?
Belmont?
Belmont. Belmont?
Yes.
And you're saying the number is 170?
170
173?
Yes.
173 Belmont Street. Where is that located? What city?
Belmont?
In Belmont. And you're locked out.
Yes.
I'm going to page the on-call, and they will call you back.
Okay.
Okay? His name is John. He'll be giving you a call.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, definitely. Can I help you?
Chris, this is Golden.
Yeah.
This is Golden.
Huh? Oh, Golden. How you doing?
Good morning.
Yeah. Hey, so,
How you doing?
how'd Boston Lock respond to you?
Okay, you have yourself a good evening.